And good morning, I'm Dr. Deukmedjian. I have one of my patients who traveled all the way from Colorado, and he had pain in both sacroiliac joints. Most surgeons would recommend a fusion for SI joint pain. However, we found out that fusions don't work. Basically, the patients who have the fusions are often worse after the fusions of the SI joint than they were before. As a matter of fact, there was a study published recently out of Scandinavia where they looked at patients who had SI joint fusion versus those who just had medication management, no fusion. So we pioneered a new technology here at Deuk Spine Institute. I pioneered this technology and it's patented. It is a procedure where we go in with a 4mm incision, and I use a special wand called the Deuk Plasma wand to destroy the pain nerves to the SI joint. It literally takes 10 minutes per side, and that's what you had done. How do you feel?
Feel good. Great. Like I'm lost for words. And, you know, I've been through the ringer with injections, nerve burns, RFAs, my lumbar fusion, and it's amazing. I don't even know where to start with it.
Well, you started by giving me a hug as soon as I came into his room. He was so happy. So why did you choose to come to Deuk Spine Institute?
I've exhausted every pain management aspect you can think of. Injections, nerve burns, steroids, physical therapy, couldn't get anywhere. So I found this on the internet probably a year ago, and I drug my feet. And after they said, you know, we want to fuse you, it's like, I don't think so. So after doing my research and knowing that RFAs help, but then it comes back, this made more sense. Get rid of those nerves altogether and move on. What I did, I couldn't be happier.
Excellent.
I walked this morning and I felt great.
I'm so happy for you.
This is no joke, it's real.
That's why we do it. We want to get the word out so other people can avoid getting fusions and more invasive procedures that don't work. So tell me about your virtual consultation. We did a Zoom call with you. How was your virtual consultation with Deuk Spine Institute?
Excellent. Covered all bases. You told me what to do, steps to take. The folks in the front office were wonderful. They even gave me a ride. I couldn't get my Uber to work, so they came and got me. Yeah, it worked out. Everything worked out.
Anything you want to say to your fans out there?
Come to Deuk Spine. Don't waste your time with all the injections and fusions. Give this guy a try. His staff and what he's got going on is real. Gives me the chills.
Thank you. And your procedure was outpatient, so here you are today. You're going to go to the beach, right?
I am. I'm going to drive out to the beach and have lunch.
The day after surgery.
Yep.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
Enjoy your time here.
All right.
All right. Let's get you out of here.